To make our Sauvage scented wax melts, you'll need the following: 220 grams of Wax 4600 paraffin pillar wax, 22 grams of Craftovator's Sauvage fragrance oil, and Craftovator's Sky Blue liquid dye. You'll also need a set of digital weighing scales, a double boiler, 3 square wax melt clamshells from Craftovator, a stainless steel or glass pouring jug, a metal spoon, a milk or digital thermometer, and a set of nitrile gloves. Start by weighing out 220 grams of wax into your melting pot. Next, half fill your bottom pan with cold water and set your melting pot on top. Melt the wax on your hob at low to medium heat. When the wax starts to melt, check the temperature at intervals. Once the wax is fully melted and reaches 80 to 85 degrees Celsius, remove it from the heat. Transfer your molten wax to your pouring jug. Shake your dye bottle for around 30 seconds and then add 4 drops of Craftovator's Sky Blue liquid dye and stir for around 15 seconds until it's fully blended. Once your wax reaches 75 to 78 degrees Celsius, add 22 grams of Craftovator's Sauvage fragrance oil and stir for around 90 seconds. Allow your wax to cool to around 65 to 68 degrees Celsius, and then you can begin pouring the wax slowly into your clamshells, being sure not to overfill them. Your wax should set fully in around 2 hours, but you'll want to allow around 48 hours in order for your wax melts to fully cure and get the best possible scent throw when using them. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial from Craftovator. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to follow us on YouTube.